Yep, that's me, talking into the camera without recording my voice. I was being a little dum-dum and I didn't set up the microphone to record my voice. And I could not retake the shots again. I have wasted so much time with this recording already. So, more or less likely, you have to watch my face while I'm voicing over myself, talking about what this video is about. If you've been watching my videos and following my work, you'll know I'm building a carbon fiber ZX6R. So far, I've done the front fender, side fairings, front fairings, the gauge cluster bracket, and the rear taillight fairings, which are made of 3 spare parts. Still, one more big thing left to do: the petrol tank. Yes, I will be doing that, I promise. To show you I'm going to keep my word, and actually I'm doing it, I even bought a used petrol tank for the project to make my mods of it. So, if you haven't watched my videos yet, please do. You can catch up with the story, and it's good for my YouTube algorithm. Also, it takes me closer to build a petrol tank out of carbon fiber. Today is the day I'm going to remove all the fairings to clear coat and polish them in the future to have a beautiful, unique finish on the carbon surface. Till I do that part of the project, I want to replace the carbon fairings with something cool to be able to use the bike every day. Let me show you what I've got. I ordered a set of fairings from the company called Amotopart. It is custom made and designed for my likings. And of course, this design had to be a little outstanding. The fairing kit came with a box full of hardware. This one looks awesome. All the essential small plastics. The fairings with a great paint job finish. And the side fairings with the huge shark teeth. Looks absolutely insane. Can't wait to see what everything will look like on the bike. So, let's not waste even more time. Let's get into it. First, I'm starting with the mirrors. Each mirror has 2 nuts holding it in place. Then, move on to the small air ducts, which are fixed on with 2 bolts and 2 plastic pins on each side. After that, I remove the side fairings. Those are pretty easy to remove. 4 bolts on the sides and 5 bolts underneath the lower belly pan. Now the head fairing is free to remove with the headlight. Next is the tail section. By using the key, I unlock the latch and taken off the rear seat cover. Remove the seat as well straight after. With the Allen key, I've undone the bolts holding the fairing, then pulled off the carbon piece. Now that the bike is naked, I continue on with the best part, building back together the whole bike with the new fairings. Wiggled the new piece of plastic into place and bolted it down. Then placed the seat back and clicked the rear seat cover back into the lock. Next is the head fairing. For that, I have to swap over the headlight. To remove that, I unscrewed 4 bolts and took it out of its seat. Placed the headlight into its new home and bolted it down again. moved on to the double bubble windscreen. 6 screws are holding it in place. After tightening the screws, I put the fairing back on. Added the mirrors to make sure the fairing won't fall off. My favorite is up next. The side fairing with the badass paint job. It has gone into its place super easily. The fitment is just perfect. Placed back the small indicators. Now comes the cherry onto the whipped cream. This part makes a whole lot of difference to the look. The black tank cover. These fairings transformed the bike into a totally different motorcycle. The whole thing looks so good. If you want a set of fairings like these, go and check out the Amotopart website. Get yourself a set of fairings for your motorcycle with your special design. Also, you can get 10% off if you order by using my link in the video description down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.